Hey guys, how's it going? Once again, this is Ewan Henry with Tech in My Life. Thanks for tuning into my channel. While you're here, take a moment to please hit that subscribe button. And if you find any information in this video useful, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Now, what we're going to do today is, it's getting close to the holidays, and I don't have a list of items that's the quick, cheap items to buy, but I do have something. If you have that guy in your life that's a tech guy and he does a good amount of shopping. I know right now a lot of us do a lot of shopping online, but with supply shortages, what a lot of people have been doing is going out to your regular stores, your big box stores to pick up stuff, and just shopping out in public in the traditional ways of shopping. We're taking our credit cards, we're taking them out of our wallets, and we're using our credit cards for purchases. Now, me personally, I don't do a lot of purchases using my credit card. For the most part, I use my phone. I use Samsung Pay to pay for the vast majority of items. The vast majority of vendors I go to, I'm able to use my phone to pay for items. On that rare occasion where I need to use a credit card, a lot of times if I can, the only reason I'm reviewing this wallet is because it has RF protection, radio frequency, because a lot of the credit cards we use to tap, it's actually emitting a small radio frequency, and that information can be stolen. It's a potential there for someone to be able to steal your credit card information. So the whole point to having a wallet is to protect from that type of credit card theft where your credit card information can be stolen via some high-tech thievery. Now this wallet, I've looked at a couple different wallets similar to it, the competitors like Ridge, because what I'm aiming for is a minimalist look. Now, for the longest time, I've used this as my wallet, and I keep all of my driver's license, credit card, and so on and so forth in here. And I wanted something really small, compact. I don't keep a lot of my cards in there, but I do keep some cards in case of emergencies in my wallet. And like I said, just recently going out doing more shopping in stores, in-store shopping, I've been taking my credit cards with me. Now, I'm literally holding the package. It just arrived today, and I just want to do a quick opening. And this is the item here. It's from a company called Dango, and this is the Dango Dapper DO3. And again, my main reason for picking this up was more small security and the minimalist look and feel of the wallet. Again, what I've been using is very small. It slips into my pocket, and it's like it's not even there. I don't keep a whole lot of stuff on me, just my driver's license and a couple credit cards, and maybe my ShopRite card or my Costco's card and stuff like that. So what I want to do is just open this up and have you guys take a look at it. And if there's a guy in your life or a gal that can use something like this, it makes for a really nice Christmas present. So let's get into this little package here. Okay, so it comes in this little tin can. It's actually a pretty cool little can. I've actually seen another item come in something similar. A while ago, I got a Road ID, and the Road ID, I don't know if they still come in something like this, but they also came in a tin can. So nicely packaged, I think this is definitely above and beyond, and it's something unique. So first and foremost, you get this little card here. It shows you, I guess, the different ways you can use the wallet, the different ways you can open and close it. It comes with this little lanyard. which I don't think I'm going to be using the lanyard, at least not for the wallet, most likely for keys or something. And there it is. Now I got it in this traditional leather looking, it's actually real leather. And as you can see, it's really well made. You have some really nice stitching going on. It's riveted down. It looks like it's riveted to this part of the wallet. Now this part is what I was mostly interested in. But yes, you close it and it is protected. It's on this side and this side. It's a sheet on the inside that protects from protects the RF signal from penetrating to the cards on the inside of the wallet. But what I really liked is this area here where you can slide cards into. Now, if I grab my wallet here, so we're going to use my Costco's card to just demonstrate. You just slide that in there, and that's in there. It's going to just stay in there. You can hear it shaking about, but it's not falling out. And while I'm not going to be keeping a Metro card in here, you can also slide a Metro card in there. And because it's metal, these little tabs on the side just kind of retain everything in there. And that's pretty cool. Now, when you close it, you can just close it this way, just leave it closed, or you can close it and then put this around it to keep it closed, which is pretty cool. And this is kind of par for the course with these type of minimalist wallets. There's usually this money band that you can use to either close it and stick your currency in here. But this does have a few different spots. You can keep things in here. You can keep like a driver's license or some form of ID in here. And there's another section in the back. You can keep a few more cards here, and you can keep a few more cards here. So it's ample space. It's very small. And to compare it to what I've been using, it's just a little bit bigger than what I've been using in the past. Okay, and now one last thing in the box here is just the company's information here. Thank you for your support, and a little bit more information there. But that's it. I really like it. And like I said, I looked at some of the competitors and I decided to settle on this one. This was $85, but then Amazon had it on sale for $39. And I couldn't pass that up. I checked out some reviews. I really like the way it looked. I like the fact that it's this blend of material that I'm always intrigued with, which is organic leather and the metal. I always like this mixture of material where you have something organic and something metallic. I like the way it looks, I like the way it feels, and it seems like it's just really well made. The craftsmanship is really impeccable. So there you go, guys. That is is from a company again called Dango, and this one is the Dango Dapper DO3. So you got that special guy or gal in your life and you think they'd appreciate something like this, go for it. Like I said, right now, as of early December 2021, Amazon has this one on sale for $39. I'm going to leave a link in the description. And full disclosure, I'm going to use my Amazon affiliate code. So if you guys run out there and make any purchases, you'll definitely be helping support my channel a little bit. And I would appreciate that. Once again, this is Ewan Henry with Tech in My Life. Just going over a little quick holiday tech, something really I think would be beneficial for the guy or girl out there that's just looking to protect their credit cards in a minimalist way. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay safe, have a good holiday season. Take care.